Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to do the topics of perimeter and area of two-dimensional shapes. So before learning the perimeter and area, we need to know what is a 2D shape. So a 2D shape or a two-dimensional shape is one that has only two dimensions, that is length and breadth. So let's take an example of square. This is square and it is a 2D shape. Why it is called a 2D shape? Because it has two dimensions, that is length and breadth. So as all the sides of the square are equal, we can assume length and breadth as A. And now jump to perimeter. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is the total distance around a 2D shape. For example, a square is a 2D shape, so the total distance around a square is called a perimeter. And each two-dimensional shape has its own formula for perimeter and area. So the formula for square would be length plus breadth, as this is breadth 2 and this is length, and put this value here as we assumed it as A. So the formula for perimeter of square would be 4A. And now jump to area. What is area? So area is the total region enclosed by a 2D shape, or we can say the total surface contained by a 2D shape. And the formula would be length into breadth. So as length is equal to A and breadth is also equal to A, so it will be A square. And this is our first shape now. So now jump to second shape, which is rectangle. This is a rectangle and it is also a two-dimensional shape. So the properties of a rectangle are the opposite sides of rectangle are equal. If this is length, this is also length, and this is breadth, this is also breadth. And as the opposite sides are equal, so we can assume length as A and breadth as B. So as we know that the perimeter is a total distance around a 2D shape, so the formula for perimeter of rectangle would be length plus breadth, so A plus B, so the answer comes out to be 2A plus B. And the formula for area of rectangle would be, as we know that area is a region enclosed by the figure, so length into breadth. So what is length A and breadth is small b. So the next shape that we're gonna discuss today is triangle. And this is height. So the formula for perimeter of triangle will be it is the total distance around the triangle, and the formula for area of triangle will be half base into height. So the base here is C and H is the height. So our fourth shape is parallelogram. Parallelogram has 4 sides and the opposite sides are equal and parallel. So parallelogram. So how are we going to draw it? and name the vertices as A, B, C and D. As the opposite sides are equal and parallel, so like the 1 and 2 they are equal and parallel, and the 3 and 4 they are also equal and parallel, so we can name this as A and this as small b. So the formula for the perimeter of parallelogram is, so as we know that the perimeter is a total distance around the figure, so A plus B plus A plus B, like 2A plus B. And the formula for area would be, we can assume this as height, which is h. So the formula would be like this is A into h. So the last shape that we're going to discuss today is a rhombus. Rhombus is a special case of a parallelogram. In rhombus, all the sides are equal and parallel. So how are we going to draw it? Let's name the vertices as A, B, C and D, as all the sides are equal and parallel. So let's name the sides as A, and this is the diagonal 1 and this is the diagonal 2. So the formula for the perimeter of rhombus is A plus A, that means 4A, and the area, so the formula for area of rhombus is half diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Now we're going to do a couple of examples that will illustrate the topic more. So let's take this example. This is a rectangular frame, and inside the frame there is a photo, and the dimensions of the frame are 24 centimeter length and 16 centimeter breadth, and the thickness of the frame is 2 centimeter, and this is a photo that is inside the frame, and what we need to find out is the area of the photo. So in order to find out the area of the photo, first of all we need to know the dimensions. So that means length and breadth, that we need to know first. So the length will be 24 minus 4, that comes out to be 20 centimeter. 2 centimeters from here and 2 centimeters from here, so that is the reason we have subtracted 4, and same goes with the breadth. So 2 centimeters from here, 2 centimeters from here, so 4, so it comes out to be 12 centimeter. And so as we know, the formula of the rectangle is like for the area, length into breadth. So the length here is 20 and the breadth is 12, so 240 centimeters square. So, and secondly we're gonna find out the area of frame and photo, which is very simple. Just multiply length and breadth, 24 into 16. So that comes out to be 384, and centimeter square is the units of area. So now we're gonna do a second example. Let's assume this is a wall and we need to create triangular mosaic on the wall using the triangular tiles. So the dimension of the base of the mosaic is 30 centimeter, and the height of the mosaic is 60 centimeter, and the base of and the dimension of the base of one tile is 5 centimeter, and the dimension of the height of one tile is 10 centimeter. And what we need to find out area of one tile. As we know that the area of triangle is half base into height. So here the base is 5 centimeter and the height is 10 centimeter. So the area of one tile comes out to be 25 centimeters square. And secondly, we need to find out the number of tiles that we're gonna put to create a triangular mosaic. So in order to find out the number of tiles, we need to find out the area of mosaic first. So area of mosaic will be half base into height. So the base is 30 centimeter and the height is 60 centimeter. So the answer comes out to be 900 centimeters square. But we need to find out the number of tiles. So the number of tiles will be area of mosaic over area of one tile. So the area of mosaic is 900 and the area of one tile is 25. So the answer comes out to be 36. So we need 36 tiles in order to create a triangular mosaic.